Hi everybody, Angela here. Today is Sunday, March 30th, and it is the end of week 10. So 2 more weeks left. It was funny, I was thinking, I always just had it in my head that we started on. You probably hate my cats by now. They just bug me constantly. Anyway, I had it in my head that since we started on January 20th, we would end on March 20th, which I don't know why I got that in my head. And then so I kept thinking we had an extra week, but no, we only have 2 weeks. So crazy. 2 weeks left. Push to the end. I'm excited. I'm actually different cat. Come on, get out of the way. I'm sorry, my train of thought. I'm really excited to keep pushing through 2 weeks, to give it my all, really make my team proud and Nutrex and everybody, so hopefully I will be able to do that. So yeah, this week was good. Kind of feel like I'm a little on autopilot. I'm really trying not to be, but you know, that's hard when you do the same thing day in and day out. Gets monotonous, but yeah, really, you know, just trying to push through the monotony. Lipo-6 is affecting, you know, positively affecting my diet and exercise still. I love the powder. That was a great idea, Nutrex. I love the taste. I think I don't know. I don't even like, it's funny because I never drink sweet things. Like, I'm not a soda drinker. I don't really drink juice. I'm just primarily a, you know, water drinker. I drink, you know, some coffee and tea here and there. But for some reason, I really like the fruit punch. The apple's good too. I've never been a huge green apple fan, but so I love the fruit punch. Makes me feel like I'm drinking Kool-Aid twice a day. So yeah, really good. I will be purchasing that after I run out, hopefully, which won't be for a while. I might also try a different product in the Lipo-6 line. Maybe Lipo-6 Black, so we'll see. Yeah, I've been looking into some stuff, but I haven't bought anything yet. So yeah, still affecting me well, suppresses my appetite, you know, gives me that extra pep to keep me going throughout the day. It's good for work too. I like to take it when I'm working because I lose focus easily. I get distracted. And, you know, it just helps me focus at work too, so it's good. My diet's been good, still carb cycling. I still think that's effective. Yeah, just, you know, doing the rotations, eating. It's hard. I feel like on the days I can't have carbs, I don't want to eat them. Something in my head just is like, no carbs, but, I try to get in my amount. Today is my, 0 carb day. So that's hard, but, you know, trying to not think about food. I'm really not that hungry, so it's really not that bad. Yeah, so that's good. I guess I'm planning, I'll just, you know, stay with the carb cycling throughout, you know, for the next 2 weeks. I lost 2 pounds this week. Not bad. You know, could be better. I don't really know what to do. You know, I'm following the carb cycling. I'm eating the right things. I got in, you know, 6 days of workouts, which, you know, is good for me. Usually, I don't know, there's one day in the week, you know, that I don't want to go, like I can't go for whatever reason. And then Sundays I like to stay home. But, yeah, so 6, that was good. Happy with that, which brings me to the next question of workout. My workouts are, you know, going well. Part of me, like, thinks maybe I shouldn't have been lifting as heavy. I should have, you know, increased my reps and decreased my weights. So I didn't, you know, gain too much muscle mass, because I definitely think I did gain muscle mass. But, you know, and I would have lost more pounds that way. It would have looked, because I lost, you know, a decent amount of inches. I think I've lost, at this point, about 23 inches now. So, you know, that's a decent amount of inches. I've only lost 24 pounds. What am I saying? Only lost. I lost 24 pounds, which is good, but I feel like inches-wise, I feel like I did gain some. So I don't know, maybe I might take it down a notch for weights the rest of the challenge. You know, just still lift, but just not lift as heavy, just you know, lower weights. It's hard though, because when I'm in there, I just want to lift heavy and beat everybody. It's obviously not a competition. I'm just really competitive. And I love when I'm on a machine and then I move on and a man goes up to the same machine and has to, you know, make it lower. That's really satisfying. I don't know why I care what other people think. I don't know why I care what other people, you know, whatever. But yeah, I'm super competitive. Anyway, so my mood and attitude, good. You know, just trying to my biggest problem is just, like I said, autopilot, feeling like I'm going through the motions. That's really the only thing. I mean, I feel positive, you know, I'm happy with the way things are going. I wish I would have lost more weight throughout the whole challenge, but, you know, I can't complain. I'm happy with what I did. I feel like I did the best I could, you know, so, you know, I'm happy with how things are going. I think I was dedicated. Part of me, like, wonders, like, should I, you know, be going to the gym twice a day? And you know, or, you know, is there something else I can be doing? But I off the top of my head, I don't know. I think if I do start working out twice a day, it'll just exhaust me. And I just don't think that's what my body needs. You know, I'm trying to listen to what my body wants. You know, just, I can tell when I'm getting too tired. I can tell when I'm pushing myself too far. So, but it's actually funny. The last, like, 2 weeks, in the beginning, like, from working out, my body was just so exhausted all the time. I didn't feel tired, but my body just felt exhausted. And it was just tight and, like, you know, not super sore, but just tight. Like, I needed to stretch all the time, and I would stretch as much as I could, and it didn't feel like it was doing anything. But now, I feel like I've worked past that. My body, you know, doesn't feel tired like it you know, did. I've, you know, been stretching the same as I had been, but for some reason, you know, my body's just adapting, and it feels a lot better in general. So I think that's a good thing. Looking to accomplish in the week ahead, like I said last week, just fine-tuning what I'm doing. I would like to lose more weight. You know, I mean, I can't complain. You know, I've had 2-pound weight losses since I broke my plateau, which is good. You know, it's better than a half a pound. It's better than a pound. It's better than gaining weight. So, yeah, I can't complain about that. I wish I could, you know, be losing 3 pounds a week, but, you know, 2 pounds is healthy, 2 pounds is steady, and that's how I'm going to keep it off, is by losing it slowly and steadily. So, you know, I really can't, you know, I can't complain about that. And you know, as much as this is a competition, it's also about me, and it's about, you know, doing what's best for my body and what's best for me, and I don't want to do anything that's going to, you know, I don't want to lose it too quick. I'm just going to gain it right back, you know, if I don't do it the right way. So I really don't have a problem with doing it this way and doing it slowly. So I'm happy about that. You know, just pushing through 2 weeks. It's going to go by quickly. This whole challenge.